So I love my 22-inch Adventure Ready Blackstone grill, but it has one significant design flaw. So that flaw is that there's no leveling legs on it. Now you're taking this thing camping, you're taking it tailgating, but without leveling legs, everything wants to slide to one side and it's really frustrating to use. So it's been driving me crazy. I'm gonna fix it. So the first thing we need to do is take this apart so we can flip the stand over and put the replacement legs in. So here's what the factory feet look like. Notice there's no hole in the bottom. Here's what the ones I got off Amazon look like. You'll notice there is a hole in the bottom, and then they come with these feet, and then you can screw that in and it gives you an adjustment. I'll put the link to this product in the description below. So to replace these, all you have to do is pop these caps out. You can take a screwdriver and wedge that in there, or if you've got a little hook like this, that makes it a little easier to snag that plastic and start pulling it up. And then once you can get your screwdriver tip in there, it comes out pretty easy. Once you've got the old one out, all you do is just push this back in. It is kind of hard to push in, so if you've got a rubber mallet, couple taps on that, it goes right in. Then you just screw your foot in. So once the feet are installed, all you need to do is either screw them in or screw them out to level up your base. So with the adjustable legs in place, you can simply level up the stand and then go ahead and put the grill back on and you're cooking away. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. To all of my brothers and sisters serving in harm's way around the world, you're always in my thoughts. Be safe out there. Till next time, everybody.